Meaning of live action.
Live action.
Live action.
Live action.
Live action. Live action generally refers to movies, television shows, or video games that feature real actors performing in front of the camera, as opposed to animated or computer-generated characters. Live-action productions typically involve on-location filming and, depending on the project's scale and budget, may include elaborate sets, costumes, makeup, and special effects. In contrast to animation, live-action productions emphasize realism, with filmmakers often striving to create a believable, immersive world grounded in the physical laws of our own reality.